Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Friday to Monday, July 22 to 25, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Well, we are giving to another weekend of nice weather across the Philippine Islands without any tropical cyclone development or LPAs. It's all clear since we have a ridge of high pressure developing to the north of our country. So this is our latest graph set for today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. This is the 2 high pressure cell, which is bringing some good weather across the country, although with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected in some selected areas, but it's not widespread compared to previous days. And we have here a surface trough bringing some rains and thunderstorms across Easterlies and the Calayan Island group. And these are localized thunderstorms distributed all across the country. Outside of PAR, we have a low pressure system that developed here along the surface trough. This is 92W. It's an elongated LPA, but it has a lower chances of developing into a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours, and it is expected to move more towards the north in the general direction of Iwato, and we are keeping an eye on this LPA for possible development into a tropical cyclone within the next couple of days. But so far, as of now, it's still not healthy enough to intensify. And we have a couple of frontal systems over eastern China and Japan and the Korean Peninsula. So far, that's the latest graph set. Looking at the fast animation, the thunderstorm activity across the Philippine Islands has diminished a bit, but there are still some moving across the central portions of our country. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, there are some thunderstorms over western sections of central Luzon, a stray one over portions of Calabarzon, including Metro Manila, and the northern portions of the Bicol region, and also over Palawan, Visayas, and Mindanao. These are weaker thunderstorms, but if you are on the center of these thunderstorms, strong or heavy rainfall with downdrafts will be expected, lightning strikes, as well as strong gust of wind will be expected within these localized thunderstorms. And if we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, we are not yet spared from the afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. By tomorrow afternoon, there might be some thunderstorms that is seeking to return across Luzon, including the Bicol region, Metro Manila, Visayas, and Mindanao. And by Sunday afternoon, there will be still some thunderstorms across the country over southern Tagalog provinces, Metro Manila, portions of the Bicol region, Mindoro, Palawan, Visayas, and becoming more frequent over Mindanao. And on Monday afternoon, still thunderstorm activity will be expected in various sections of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, including Palawan, with medium to lower chances across the Bicol region. Now, if you take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days through Monday, the bulk of the rainfall are forecast over Mindanao, and this is due to the La Nina phenomenon, where during La Ninas, Mindanao will be expecting more rainfall compared to neutral climate, okay, and also across Visayas. So far, this is the forecast when it comes to rainfall accumulation. And if we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days, by tomorrow afternoon, the Philippine Islands will remain calm to variable winds, and also through Monday. So far, that's the latest from the wind and pressure forecast. It's all quiet across the Philippine Islands and nearby areas of the Western Pacific. So that's it. That's the latest for this weekend, and we will return on Monday to give you more updates on the weather. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv, or youtube.com/MrTyphoon, and also at our Facebook page, MrTyphoon.com, or Facebook.com/MrTyphoon for the latest update on the weather across the Philippine Islands and nearby areas of the Western Pacific. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.